What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV. As y'all can see, we starting from the outside with it, man. It's cold out there, bitch, so I ain't finna be out there talking too long. But hey, man, y'all see what's going on. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Man, I just put a little gas in the car, a little 15 ball, you know what I'm saying? Nigga broke it, yeah, low key, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta put a little bit in there just for y'all, boy, cause this bitch don't go nowhere except for on the weekend, you know what I'm saying? But hold on, my bad, I'm tripping. Let me get y'all boy, get a little, yeah, hold on. Little quick little, you feel me? Look at that. Back ass. Close the door face ass. Jimmy Neutron ear ass. Well, yeah, man. Oh, damn. We in that thing. It's cold, but it's a little 47. Man. A little 47 degrees. But yeah, we're doing a little late night POV drive. You feel me? It's dark outside, so it's late night. You know what I'm saying? I don't care how you feel. Oh, yeah. And a 550 horsepower scat. Know y'all boy gonna be hanging in the comments on some 550. Nigga, check your facts, nigga. Line it up, nigga. Okay, let him chill out. Well, yeah, for real though. You know what I'm saying? See what we got going. Well, hold on. Let me turn that heated seat on, nigga. Heated steering wheel too, nigga. That bitch be burning my back. Y'all nigga, they got charged the way I put that bitch on high. But that bitch had your back on fire, nigga. Nigga, man, that be like, yeah, there. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? We finna get a little late night POV action, you know what I'm saying? I do not have the pops on, the flames on. So y'all would not be hearing no flame. But that nigga will be hearing the downshift, you know what I'm saying? This exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Y'all nigga forgot what Olivia really sound like, nigga. But Olivia really like that, nigga. Loudest scat, nigga, in the state, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Loudest scat in the city, you know what I'm saying? Look at this nigga, man. I keep saying, you know what I'm saying, a little too much. What the hell wrong with me? And he be saying, what are you doing, ugly? You feel me? But yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't really know what to say right now. We ain't driving yet, and it's cold. And my heated seat just not getting warm. But I think when I put it on low, it take too long to get warm. So we're gonna put that bit on high, you know what I'm saying? So I can feel like I can fly. Face out. But yeah. Should I turn the stars on, bro? I never turn my stars on, though. I ain't gonna lie. Just for the video, we're gonna turn the stars on, nigga. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Yeah. You feel me? And they changed the colors just like the ambient lighting. Y'all let me know if y'all rock with the ambient lighting. You feel me? But we probably gonna drive in sport mode. I usually don't put it in sport. Kinda like my steering wheel and track. But we're gonna put it in sport mode, you know what I'm saying? So traction gonna be slightly off. Y'all see we in sport mode, man. Yeah. I don't know where I wanna go. We're just gonna go straight. But yeah. Boy, I might have to just have the back window down. I ain't gonna cap, but that cold breeze killing a nigga, what? Damn, it ain't that cold, but in the morning it was 27. Like a nigga age, ugly. Not mine though, I'm just saying. It was 27 outside like a nigga age, young nigga. It's crazy that my pops ain't knowing I can do this now. Whew. That mother shift so crazy, bro. I cracked the passenger window, so maybe y'all can hear a little bit. But I might have to crack the front one just so y'all can hear that mother. That mother shift so crazy, car crew. Hey man, we almost at 16,000 subscribers, bro. We less than 100 subscribers away, man. So y'all boy, please hit that sub button, man. You know what I'm saying? Get your boy to 16K the quick way, so we can get to 20K the quicker way. You know what I'm saying? Who this is behind me, bro? I don't like folks. Don't be riding behind me, nigga. I get on your ass, boy. Damn. Stick 'em. Woo-hoo-hoo. That big guy swirly. No. Let's put a traction in, we're gonna put a traction in track, man. I'm gonna put a traction in track, you feel me? But Olivia do sound crazy. Maybe I should just turn the heat on and let that bitch blow on me. Normal. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy say everything. Anything you say be gay. So, we just gonna, you feel me? Turn that heat on real quick. Activate. Heat mode. But yeah, man, a little late night POV, man. Get a little downshift. Give me another one. She still pop naturally too though. Sticky yo. Damn. Give me one. But that bitch spinning at 45. Nigga, what? And traction ain't even completely out, bro. Just in track mode. But we in sport. Yeah. My fault. But we in sport mode, you feel me? But yeah, car crew. Shuck it, man. But yeah, man. I mean, how y'all boys feeling, man? It's December, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all boys usually Vlogmas would be a thing right now. But, damn! Oh my lord! But that bitch just wheel hot in first gear. Stick 'em! Bruh, I downshifting that bitch like wheel hot. That was dangerous, but I can't do that no more. I ain't need a whole job, boy, fast. Downshifting at first is too dangerous for this bitch right here, boy. Real deal, 550, nigga, to the crank, ugly. Now y'all niggas be like, is it to the wheel? If it's not to the wheel, it's not real. I know, ugly, nigga. I don't like that charger around behind me with one head, like, but y'all niggas be throwing me out, bro. What's up with y'all, boy? That nigga got one head, like, in the charger. Like, what's up with this nigga, man? And he don't want to, hold on. Look at this nigga. They got one head, like, car smelling like that, dang. And a nigga from Florida. You from Florida, bitch. You in the wrong area. How the hell that nigga flashing his brakes? That nigga's tapping his brakes, like, weirdly. But I don't like that, but going on, but y'all Florida nigga different, but better watch out, boy. Unless your ass like switch E, nigga. But yeah, car crew, man, finally December, you know what I mean? I would drop more videos than I usually drop in 1 month, you know what I'm saying, this month. It's not gonna be vlogging, but I'm trying to get y'all boys a good amount of videos. I would say the number, but I'm not gonna say the number so I don't jinx myself. But just know it's gonna be, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be some video every week, you know, just know that. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be some every week. Good lord, that fourth, third. What? Woohoo! This mud drive so different, not car crew, bro. This mud drive super different. Boy, that heat feel amazing. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord for heat. But I got my window down and heat on just for y'all, boy. I didn't gotta hit that sub, bro. It cold hell. Colder than a motherfucker. But hell no. This mud shifts so crazy. Like, it's unbelievable, unpredictable, despicable. Look at that. But yeah, this charger probably think I'm trying to play with the whole time making a video for y'all, boy. Nigga probably like, oh, SRT niggas in love, showing off. No, bitch. Making a video for my family. Look at that. But yeah, man. Man, this nigga going the same way I'm going. Man, find somewhere else to go, nigga. I be hating for to do that. Even though they in front of me, even when you behind me, I hate for to do that. Like, nigga, go somewhere else. You think I'm trying to play with you? I ain't trying to play with you, nigga. I don't even know you, ugly lady. But yeah. Anyway, like I was saying, man, if, you know what I'm saying, December, man, getting close to Christmas, you feel me? 12 days of Christmas, all that good stuff, ugly. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's December. It's the last month. We gotta go out with a big bang, nigga. Oh, yeah. I got some more stuff coming, y'all boy. I gotta get a little bit more equipment. Y'all boy gonna be like, finally, this nigga done did it. Yes, I did. But that bitch be jerking like a 10 speed, eh? Yeah, I said 10 speed. You know, y'all niggas be hanging. I need to drive like that on them so y'all boy really can see. Then I can't see. Then we're gonna be in trouble. Well, I'm gonna be in trouble. Y'all niggas ain't gonna care. Cause y'all just gonna keep watching the video while I can't see. You feel me? Hold on, I ain't gonna do it yet. Damn. Olivia, calm down. Calm down. Hold on. Let me get one. Why this? Damn. Nigga! Woo-hoo-hoo! Shit. Hey! Hey, that bitch got... Bro, I know y'all niggas probably think like, it ain't really, bro. This bitch getting sideways, bro. Just with traction and track, bro. It was getting sideways with traction and sport, but like, no, this bitch getting sideways, bro. Like, no cap. Like, nigga, I'm not doing it for nothing. I wouldn't do that for nothing. That's stupid. I don't fake the fun that bad. Look at this nigga making a whole U-turn, bro. Man, nobody ain't following you, nigga. Man, you from Florida, nigga. You in a rental probably, nigga. Y'all ain't in a rental, nigga. Ugly ass, stupid ass, one head like having that. But nah, for real though. Man. But yeah, y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Damn, y'all hear that? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? More video gonna be coming in month. I got some up my sleeve, man. I already got one piece of the equipment, the main part. So after that, I just need the other part. And then the POV gonna be magnificent. You know what I'm saying? Boy gonna be too crispy, too different. Nigga gonna, watch when I do it, everybody around me gonna, why this? Just what, bro? Nigga don't like spending money till another nigga spend money and do something. Why? Just what? I just want y'all boy to just peak game. I'm putting you down. Clown, ugly. But yeah, most stuff on the way, man. Y'all boy just stay tuned. You feel me? It will be some nice, great thing. But he about to choke a nigga. You know how that boy know how you get your clothes fresh out the dry. Soon as that bitch, damn, can't even talk. Soon that bitch get done. Y'all had the heat doing me right now. Good lord, but I'm on 81. Put it on 79. Really put it on 75. Bitch choking a nigga. Pow. I couldn't even talk, breathe. But but yeah, bro. Stuff is, you know what I'm saying? Stuff is underway, you feel me? It's already taking place. Bro, like every time that mother shift, it just wanna go faster. Like, even if you just holding the pedal at one speed. That mother wanna go faster. Like, you can feel it in your gut, stupid ass. Damn! I gotta stop doing that, bro. I'm not dancing the first no more. I know y'all just seen bro, ain't no way. I'm not doing that no more. Fast. Y'all boy remind me. Look at this dumb ass. Why you got your car in the road? But yeah, facts, I'm not doing that no more, bro. It was not like that before. Now I know they big eat up. Y'all boy be, man, bro. They big eat up, bro. 550 on here. That was the title of the video. Late night, 550 horsepower, charger Scatpack, nigga. Scatpack charger, what do you want to call it, nigga? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, real talk. You want to see? Come find out, ugly ass. But yeah, man. Anyway, like I said, bro, stuff on the way. Real deal, Holyfield. Real spill, little baby, drill, ugly ass. But yeah, I keep saying ugly ass. Like I'm from the ugly ass community. I might be. But yeah, we do got some stuff on the way, man. I know I just been rambling. I ain't really got too much to talk about. I do, but I don't. But yeah, we in the 550 Scatpack. You know what I'm saying? Driving, downshifting. Them all don't sound that loud right now. But yeah. Anyway, like I said, we got stuff on the way, man. Y'all boys just stay tuned. You feel me? All that good stuff, man. I don't really got too much else to say to y'all, boy. Low key, I got something else to do, but I'm doing this in the meantime, in between time. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boys just appreciate. You feel me? The you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just appreciate the the work ethic. You know what I'm saying? But look at a little criminal light, man. Look at a little criminal light. Christmas light. I like Christmas though. My favorite holiday. Even though I'm grown now, I don't get nothing for real, but you know what I'm saying, still. I mean I do, but not like, you know what I'm saying, you don't expect to get nothing. Stick 'em. Woo-hoo. Damn. I don't need to be putting that bitch to the floor, bro. I don't have to. But by the time I do, you don't got to, you know what I'm saying? That downshift from 4th or 3rd. That hit that supercharger. Now here, listen. Well, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But that pretty much gonna be a wrap, man. You feel me? For today's video. Or tonight's video. Ooh, there go them boys. There go them boys. There go them motherfucking boys. Turn my blinker on like a civilian. Look left to right, make a complete stop. Turn slowly but surely. You feel me? You just peel off on their ass. Y'all boys say that? Yeah, learn something. But yeah, anyway, that gonna be a wrap, man, for tonight's video, man. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You feel me? And y'all see the stars, you know, the way. Had to show y'all boy the star one more time. Well, yeah, make sure y'all boy tune in, man. I will be dropping more videos than normal this month, you know what I'm saying? So y'all boys support, tap in, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, subscribe button, comment what videos y'all would like to see next, bro. Comment what video y'all would like to see, bro. Man, I read all the comments, bro. Whether I respond to every one of them or not, I read every last one of them. I don't get a lot of them. I ain't got no trouble but to read them. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boy comment down below. Just comment that you watch. 100 emoji, fire emoji. You know, what you like about the car, favorite part in the video, what you laughed at, what you didn't laugh at, nigga. What you hating on, what you like, what you love, nigga. All that, man. Y'all boy just, you know what I'm saying? Do that for your boy, please. But, anyway, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy also stay blessed, stay prayed up for all my religious folk, man. Keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Everything that you do, you feel me? And just do that. Keep him first, bro. Thank him for all the good things, everything, small to big, even the bad times, still thank him and give him praise, you know what I'm saying? And give him acknowledgement, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all boy do that. You feel me? For all my religious folk. And like I said, now the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.